Hello, learners. Till week 7, we have learned income calculations under various heads of income. Last week, we have seen income from other sources. Now, in week 8, we will be discussing the deductions from gross total income. There are sections 80C to 80U. These sections provide various deductions from gross total income. Gross total income comprises of the income from salary, house property, business profession, capital gains, and other sources. And we know how these income or how these calculations are being made under each of these heads. Before that, we'll be discussing here the difference between exemptions and deductions. As we already discussed, section 10 talks about exemptions, that these are the incomes which do not form part of the total income. But here in this week, we'll be discussing on deductions. Deductions are given under various sections of 80C to 80U. We'll be discussing the deductions in respect of various payments, and there are number of sections. There are 80C, 80D, 80DD, 80DDB, 80E, 80EE, 80G, 80GG, 80GGA, 80GGB, 80GGC. So we'll be discussing about these sections in detail, how these sections can be availed. Also, we will see the deduction in respect of certain incomes, where section 80QQB, 80TTA, and 80U are there. We will also discuss the deductions available for business and profession. That is, these deductions only can be claimed if you run business or profession, or if the income comes from profits and gains of business or profession. This sections includes 80IA, 80IAB, 80IAC, 80IB, 80IBA, 80IC, 80ID, 80IE, 80JJA, 80JJAA, and 80LA. So elaborate discussions will be made on these sections, and we hope that the discussions in this week will give you sufficient input so that you and as the others whom you will help in tax computation can avail benefit of these sections and reduce tax liability legally. It's a great chapter for to learn the tax planning. So enjoy the week and learn section 80C to 80U. Thank you.